Are you foolish? Papa Penina you tikoto wunu wi na wo jimi kwase asem na wo gina waso dem okan no. Does that make you feel better? Said they now ye good na adom so no. And this buy because Julius Zebra you wunu enti no. What na aboa on. O foolishness na yen kanjere o tell you so. You are very stupid. You were netwit, you were nincompoop. Kofi Ojo, Jairi no na hunto. Asiate. Also unkwana ni mayon. I'll bother much. Kofi Ojo. Also for Kofi Ojo ye sofubia nanka mi bune pa. Nanka mi bune pa. Na me feel say oye outspoken. Na me feel say onimiansa. Na me feel say oye nindifo. But say kasado don toponko. Because Kofi Ojo and a Kofobi person the Lord of what? And then Kofi Ojo ya stop you say we now was them fan crying preacher and I stop you. Said you as a only account for Santa Forward and Kofi Ojo. Ya stop him. Who was them fan crying preacher? And I will be see many Kofi Ojo. Wo pedi obedi dia pese o ka Santa Kasa ukom kwa ukasa kwa wonka wo pedi obedi dia wo pedi obedi dia do be fupu dia o pa Santa Kasa. When you were looking for recognition, what is Santa Kasa and looking for recognition, I then one can cry and preach when you chance the water ewe yesu demo mama chewate I bored about it. You're a very stupid man. You think you can sit or stand in your whatever and speak anyhow to anybody? Are you stupid? Are you out of your mind? Are you foolish? And then one come crying for and crying for radio. So sorry, and crying maybe with radio. Sorry. And one come and crying for radio. Sorry. Send crying be any radio station. Until then one pebe be I will go preaching. Now at the first station and now preaching. And one call Bonu FM. Oh, free. I say. Some people want to make themselves Lord over other tribes. Are we forcing you people not to pull your strings? Are you stupid? Are you foolish? Papa Penina you tikoto wunu wi na wo jimi kwase asem na wo gina waso dem okan no. Does that make you feel better? Said they now ye good na adom so no. And this buy because Julius Zebra you wunu enti no. What na aboa on. Of foolishness na yen kanjere o tell you so. You are very